Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends in Monopoly Go. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on the friends option in the bottom right corner. Here you can either add the friends that are suggested to you, or you can add your friends through contacts. Click on the contact option, then tap on add contacts option. Here you can enter your mobile number and click on the continue option, and then you can easily find friends from your contacts. For now, I'll just add the suggested people. And that is how you can add friends in Monopoly Go. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.